Welcome to day 2 here on Pattaya Island, aka Koh Samui.
Show me the all damn day. Show me the all damn day. All damn day.
Definitely not bloody Koh Samui anyway. So we are at Na Muang waterfall, which we're going to go and have a quick look at. We've now parked up, and it's a bit like, yeah, different place. They charge you for everything, even parking. I know, charged for parking in Thailand. What the hell? Anyway, there you go. We're going to now have a wander and see what the waterfall looks like. So we'll let you know in a bit. So as much as we are here to have a look at this waterfall, this place is totally over touristed. And we've fallen into the same trap, I agree. We had to come and see just to know we'll never come back. That's kind of the point. So what I would say, summing up the island, it's a beautiful place, completely and utterly ruined by tourists. I don't think we're helping, I agree, but we've never been, heard so much about it. Okay, so we're still going to give it a go, have a look at the waterfall. We're here anyway. I mean, look. I mean, you could just imagine this how it used to be. And I don't know the answer. I'm just observational, really, and I'm sure, you know, if people were to comment on me, oh, you're doing exactly what they're doing, you're not wrong. But for me, I mean, I live here, so not in Koh Samui, I live in Thailand, but for me it's been a question of, let's see what all the hype is about. And yeah, do you know what? There are so many more beautiful islands on this country. I would not come back here. And you know, they always say never, but honestly, this is yeah, disappointing is the right word. Although we have got the most amazing accommodation where we are. It's absolutely beautiful, it's quiet, it's very amazing, it's just fantastic. So every cloud, right? Every cloud. Here we go, down to the waterfall.
No, I think maybe they will.
So I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the waterfall number 2, which is less traveled by tourists. It's quite, I'll show you, it's lovely. Not, I mean, obviously the other one's bigger, but look, we'll have a quick look. And now to get here, you have to walk along that. Which is, yeah, interesting to try. Gorgeous though, really lovely. I think sometimes the better things to see are harder to get at, and that's kind of, I'm not saying it's a more beautiful waterfall than the other one, because that was a much bigger one, but this is just more natural. I mean, I know waterfalls are natural, but I mean, there's not a lot of people here, which is nice. But I'll show you anyway where we're at. Snow's gone on a mission down there. If I don't look down, I'll be okay. Right, here we go. Hold on. You know, that's close. Okay, there we go. Let's get a bit closer. On the rocks we go. Intrepid explorers that we are and all that. Is it slippy? The rock's slippy? Oh, they're not too bad actually. Okay. Whoa. Wow, beautiful, eh? Oh, look at that! Wow. I will.
Yeah, good.
Okay, here we are at another viewpoint in the mountains. And yeah, this is quite nice. What a view. We'll show you. That's beautiful. Look at that. You don't even need to go down there. That's enough.
I think in here,
You don't need to go down there. This is,
if you want to go, can.
you can. I said you don't need to because the viewpoint here is beautiful.
But then we not see at all because have a big tree. If we go down a little bit, we can see.
Oh, I see. Okay. Let's look there. I'd make that sign. I'd change that sign just a little bit. Just after I put don't. Sarcastic bastard. What? I mean, it's definitely beautiful. Wow. Oops.
Hello.
Hello. Gosh, look at that.
This quite free.
This is quite unusual. Have something free.
Yes. We go everywhere. We go somewhere. We have.
Yeah,
to
they
pay.
charge everywhere here, but this is free. I cannot pronounce it. Chamong something or other beach. Supposedly one of the most popular beaches here. Just no more pretty than Koh Samui, quite frankly. You know. I know that I'm saying it quite a bit, but yeah, Koh Samui's just as pretty as this, if not prettier. Yeah?
Yes.
It's very, very average. It's quite shallow. It looks quite shallow. The water doesn't look very clear either. It's quite dirty. The underwhelming island of Koh Island, Pattaya. I mean Samui. I mean Pattaya. I really do mean Pattaya. It's as busy as Pattaya.